Second thing I'm going to talk about is loops. More particularly, let's start with the easiest type of loop, which is the while loop. Now, the while loop, the way it works is, let's start by a variable called I, and let's assign that variable 0. So we're starting with initial value of 0, and then we'll do the while loop. So while $i is less than 10, and what we're going to do here is we're going to print the I value. So basically, very similar to the if condition, we put the condition in the brackets, and we're testing if I is less than 10, I in this case is 0, and it will just keep on printing 0 forever. So this wasn't what we intended to do. We obviously want it to increment I every time. To do that, you simply add the increment statement here. And what that means, that's just a shorthand for $i equals $i plus 1. Another way of writing this is plus equals 1. And obviously more shorter than that is up there, $i plus plus. And it means exactly the same. We can decrement by reducing 1 by having a minus minus. So now you've got the idea. And what would actually happen here is that every time, first it will print 0, and then it will increment I by 1, and then 1 is less than 10, and it will do that again until it reaches 10, and then it will exit the loop, and it will come down here. But what if we wanted, for some reason, we wanted to end that loop prematurely? We want to test for a particular condition. Let's say, for example, we want to test if I equals 3, and if it's 3, we want to break out the loop prematurely. And now this time it will go around the loop, and it will go up to 3, and then it will test if it's 3, and it says it's 3, and it will not increase anymore the value of I. It will just exit, and it will come down to here. If this is true, it will exit the loop, and that's the use of the break statement. So we've learned a bit about the while loop, how to end the loop prematurely, and we've learned about the break. Break just basically exits the loop.